Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix the PayPal error while linking a debit card so you can complete your account setup without issues. First, this error usually happens when the card details don't match your PayPal account information. Make sure your name on the debit card matches exactly with your PayPal account, including spelling and spaces. Next, double-check the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Even a small mistake can prevent PayPal from linking your card. Avoid copying errors and enter everything carefully. Also, ensure your card is activated, supports online transactions, and is not expired. Some banks restrict debit cards for international or online payments, so confirm with your bank if needed. Try clearing your browser cache or using a different browser, or link the card through the PayPal mobile app. Turn off any VPN or proxy services, as they can trigger errors. If the problem continues, contact your bank to make sure there are no holds or restrictions, and then contact PayPal support if needed. And that's how you can fix this error and link your debit card successfully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.